Hey Google, turn on studio lights.
Okay, turning two lights on.
Welcome back to GeekSourceHD. My name's Anthony, and I'm back with another video for you guys. I know I've been on a brief hiatus because my brother was visiting from the Navy for 2 weeks. My last video was Dragon Ball Fighters that was done by my wife. Thank you to her. If you would like to see that video, it's in the description below. Here we have a unboxing for you guys of the Google Home Max. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna get right into this unboxing. I've already cut the tape off the sides. Let's just lift this thing open and see what we got. Woo, that thing is huge. Woo, that's what she said. But anyway, here we have the speaker. Now, I believe this thing is packing 4.5-inch subwoofers. There's two of those, and then it also has two 3/4 of an inch tweeters, which gives us that nice clarity when listening to music. Now, I know you guys have heard of other smart speakers out there. You have the Apple HomePod, which just came out, which uses Siri as a assistant. Google, of course, uses the Google Assistant, and then you have Alexa, which is used by, with Amazon products. There's also Sonos, and Sonos uses the Amazon Alexa as well. But we're gonna test out this bad boy, the Google Home Max. So let's continue this unboxing. Oh, this thing is, I think it's pretty hefty here. All right, so there you have the actual speaker. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's a magnet. Okay, there's a magnet here that's used to, I guess, absorb vibrations, because I've heard that these things pack a lot of bass. So let's put that down. Let's see what else we got in this box. Okay, we got a looks like a power cord here. We have a power cord, and we have paperwork. We have some paperwork. So let's get started guide. It's really good. And I believe we have safety and warranty information, which is really nice. Let's put the paperwork to the side. All right, so we have this thick, very, very premium cable. Okay, really, really nice. It's nice that this has a detachable cable, because the new HomePod, the cable does not become detached from the unit. So if something happens to that cable, then you have to send in the whole unit instead of just buying a brand new cable. So this is really, really nice, really, really nice by Google. Really good. All right, so let's take a closer look at the speaker now. All right, it looks like we have at the very, very top, we have a volume, play, and pause buttons. And it looks like actually it's not buttons, it's touch sensitive. So you can slide your finger across, back and forth to change the volume. And you just touch the play, and you just touch the pause to touch and pause. You can place it horizontally on a surface, and you can also place it vertically on a surface. I believe there's a magnet at the bottom as well. There we go, just like that. So you see, you can sit vertically, and it can sit horizontally. Now, it also looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it has 4 microphones. That's what it looks like. 2 on the very top and 2 on the side. All right, and then in the back, we have where the adapter goes. We also have a Bluetooth sync button, a USB Type-C port, and an aux port as well to attach any device that you want. That's another downside with the Apple HomePod. You cannot do that. That device is only compatible with Apple devices. All right, and also we have a mute switch in the back. See, like so. Very, very, very nice. This is a beautiful speaker. Google did a great job with this speaker. All right, so let's get it plugged up and see what kind of sound this thing will pump out, and we'll compare it to the Google Home Mini, which I also have. All right, guys, so here you can see I have the Google Home Mini alongside the Google Home Max. Now, the Mini, of course, lives up to its name. It's very, very small. All right, but it packs quite a punch when it comes to sound. Of course, not as much as the Google Home Max, but let's give it a few commands and see what it can do. All right, so, hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Your Majesty.
As you can see, you can put anything you want in there. Of course, my name is Anthony, but I was playing around with it and had it call me Your Majesty. All right, let's see what kind of commands you can give it for music. Hey Google, play Love by Kendrick Lamar.
Okay, Love by Kendrick Lamar. Here it is on Google Play Music.
Down. Love and lust. Down. All of us.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. I'm the world premiere. So
Hey
give me a
Google,
run for my money.
stop. As you can see, it handles the commands flawlessly, even when the volume is at max. That volume was at 100% and it still picked up my voice command. All right, so let's get the Google Home Max hooked up and let's see how that sounds. All right, guys, I have the Google Home Max all plugged up and ready to go. I'm just gonna give it a brief command to actually have it increase to 100% volume. And then I'm gonna give it the same commands that I gave the Mini earlier. So, hey Google, increase volume to 100%. All right, so now we're at 100%. Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Your Majesty.
So you can see it, the volume is a lot more powerful on the Google Home Max than the Mini, of course. So let's ask it to play that song now. Hey Google, play Kendrick Lamar, Love.
All right, Love by Kendrick Lamar. Playing on Google Play Music.
Down. Love and lust. Down. All of us.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. I'm the world premiere. So give me a run for my money.
Hey Google, stop. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This thing is a monster at 100% volume. Now the sound can get a little distorted when, depending on the song that you play, but it sounds beautiful to me because I love bass. I listen to more bassy music like hip hop and things like that. And I love the Beats headphones line because of course they are a monster when it comes to bass. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that we ordered the KMC Wi-Fi smart plug mini outlets off of Amazon. It was a 3-pack. It was around $26.99. It's still up there. I will put a link in the description below of where you can purchase these on Amazon. And they work in conjunction with the Google Assistant. So check them out. All right, guys, so there you have it, a brief review and an unboxing of the Google Home Max. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Geek Source family, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.